This question is all about using a mathematical formula to find specific numbers in a list, or a sequence. The rule for this sequence is U sub n equals n squared minus n minus 6. Think of n as the position, first, second, third, and so on, and U sub n as the value at that position. To find the value, you just substitute the position number into the formula. For part A, they give you n and want you to calculate the answer. Let's start with U sub 1, which is the first term. Replace every n in the formula with 1. So, U sub 1 equals 1 squared minus 1 minus 6. This is equal to negative 6. Let's move to the second term, U sub 2, and replace every n with 2. U sub 2 equals 2 squared minus 2 minus 6. So, U sub 2 equals negative 4. Now, let's find the ninth term by replacing every n with 9. U sub 9 equals 9 squared minus 9 minus 6. So, U sub 9 equals 66. For part B, we are given the answer 36, and we have to find out which position gets you there. In other words, we have to find the n value. We set the formula equal to 36. Move everything to one side so it equals 0. So let's subtract 36 from both sides. Now we have to factor the equation. We need two numbers that multiply to negative 42 and add up to negative 1. Those numbers are negative 7 and 6. Next, we solve for n. We get n equals 7, and n equals negative 6. Since we are talking about a sequence, like a list, the position can't be negative. So you can't have a negative 6th term in a list. This is why we are going to ignore the negative 6. Therefore the position of U to be equal to 36 is 7. To wrap things up, for the first part, we simply substituted the position number into the formula. For the second, we worked backward by solving for n and ignoring the negative result. Just remember that since we are counting positions in a list, n must always be a positive integer. See you in the next video.